Oh my God.
Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Where are all the other fetus monsters? I don't think I'm ready for this. Not a good start.
She's unconscious.
You're pregnant. From the look of it, 3 months, sir.
No, that's impossible.
Did you have intercourse with Dr. Holloway?
Yes, but 10 hours ago.
It's not exactly a traditional fetus.
Don't.
I want it out of me.
I'm afraid we don't have the personnel to perform a procedure like that.
Do they live in Missouri?
Please verbally state the nature of your injury.
I need a cesarean.
Error. This med pod is calibrated for male patients only and does not offer the procedure you have requested.
Get it out! Come on!
Initiating anesthetics.
That'd be cool. What about her fascial layer? You didn't go through it. They just did skin and sub-Q. There's fascia, there's muscles. Now you're at the uterus and you're just gonna yank it out.
About the stapling?
I mean, we staple when you have to go back in, but like she didn't sew the sub-Q together. You didn't sew the hysterotomy. Also, they didn't make an incision in the uterus. All the uterus is bleeding. Several missteps, lots of missteps. But that was a very like effective stapling. And if you had those like digital retractor situation, that'd be helpful.
Can she run around now like that?
I mean, it would hurt like hell, but she
Are
could.
you physically capable? Like, did we just cut through all those muscles?
I mean, yes, you physically can. Now, does anyone have that pain tolerance that I meet? Probably not.
In what year will they have tubes like that?
2080?
You're
60
thinking,
years from now.
56 years from now, yeah.
oh, this math nerd right here. So the tube, not that unrealistic?
I don't think so.
Tube medicine.
Pod, med pod.
That
You
one
feel
should,
like
a
every-
C-section tube should be called the fallopian tube.
Is fallopian, was that a person?
Yes,
Probably.
yes.
I trust him more than me.
His
When did
name
they
was
live?
Fallopia?
The Italian guy, Fallopius monk.
No, that I think you just made up.
For sure.
Stop giving men microphones.
You know how many microphones I own?
Yeah,
Incredible.
I know.
Are male nipples vestigial?
Not always.
Not always. It's wrong. Look at her being wrong.
Because they can like take hormones to like feed. But if you guys want to pinch each other's nipples off the screen, that's okay.
All right.
I don't need to be here for that.
And scene.
I mean, at least they put iodine on the skin. They said it was anesthetic, but it looked like iodine. But you wouldn't do a C-section at 12 weeks.
But it's an alien.
Yeah, you still would suck it out with suction through the cervix.
I was pretty big though when I
Also, they never cut it into the uterus.
plot hole. Lack of plot hole?
No, it
Because
is
they
a
didn't
plot
make
hole.
the hole.
That was good. Like that.
Missing hole?
Missing hole. You were supposed to go through the other hole.
Classic missing hole. Got it. Ready?
No.
You're not ready for the suckling?
It's your first time, kid? Well, take it from me, it's no big deal. Is she giving you trouble, honey?
No, miss.
Well, if she does, you come up and see me. Room 5.
It's kind of a combination brothel abortion area. Not a proper.
What?
You've decided to do the smart thing.
Yes, I'm having it. I'm only here for his sake. He stuck with me this far, so I might as well please him.
Vomit.
Having it when the time is right is the smart thing to do.
I won't kill it.
This thing you think you're killing has no eyes, no ears, no fingers. It ain't human.
Feeling awfully sleepy all of a sudden.
Child, lie down. Just relax.
Not trauma-informed care.
The largest second trimester pregnancy I've ever seen. What?
Doesn't
Just
come
watch
out
what
whole.
you're doing.
Yeah. Oh, no.
I can't. I don't.
Is this an after school special?
I mean, she couldn't be asleep and they just pull it out because they didn't show any of the dilation. They didn't show any of the pre-medication. Also, you can't just do it with your hands. It wouldn't come out in one piece. But I'm not looking forward to this.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't want to see babies flying and just
Flying?
yeah, like into the because it was like running down the tube and they could fly out.
Oh, it's gonna turn like into a monster. Is that what's gonna happen? It was a dark and stormy night.
Toxic waste. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What?
What a puppet.
How is she?
It looks like Benjamin Button.
When she comes to, you leave. Understand?
Yes.
You think she's just gonna live there?
Please leave.
What? Yeah, at least they kind of have a fontanelle. What?
Phil, what's going on?
Let's go. I'll explain everything outside.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
the toxic waste.
Scumbag! You're together. He has the money, so you're on his side.
Look, shut up!
I'm sick of this shit. I can't do enough for
shut
freaks
up.
like him.
Get upstairs! Next time any trouble, just come to me.
Thanks, Dom!
Oh. Wow.
Classic brothel abortion clinic shooting.
Guy comes here to get his penis sucked, and it gets shot off instead. Jeez, this place never quits. Right, Bertha?
Yeah.
Infants like don't have teeth. I'm caught up on that also.
Right.
Yeah.
They're actually born with their teeth. Why is this the only
Or
one?
something.
Where are all the other fetus monsters?
Right.
Oh god.
Miss Candy's coming from inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dialogue is so snappy.
What?
Oh my god.
What did that?
Yeah.
The umbilical cord? Because it was gone and then it grew out.
Yeah.
And then it came all the way up and whacked her head off? I mean, umbilical cords are floppy. They don't have any force like that.
Have you encountered any fetus monsters?
Not all babies are cute, so yeah.
Interesting. If I add toxic waste to a baby, do I get Indiana Jones whipping his umbilical cord around like a whip?
Truthfully, I don't know.
What's in the toxic waste? What kind of toxic
I
waste?
don't. That wasn't from their clinic. It never said. It just said it was just toxic waste.
Do you have any theories on what kind of toxic waste?
Yeah, you probably left it over last time you were in the bathroom.
It's more of a biohazard, I feel like, than a toxic waste.
What's the difference?
One's biological.
What?
Do you
Oh,
call like removed body parts or something? Is that toxic waste?
No.
You call it biohazard, right?
Biohazard.
All right.
It's from fracking or
Right.
nuclear.
Nuclear.
One is correct.
Nuclear.
The other is incorrect.
Nuclear.
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 Not N-U-C-U.
No,
Nuclear.
K. Nuclear.
This is what George Bush famously said. He said nuclear.
Rarely is the question asked.
Is our children
learning.
Learning. I think it was related to No Child Left Behind. Some childs were left behind.
Case in point, the film The Suckling. Was this a child left behind by our education system?
Yeah.
So I want to hear what you think of this film. What else is going to happen in this film after this?
That alien creature comes back to take over everyone.
Well, the name implies some kind of weird boob something. There's going to be some.
Or it just sucks like a vampire on anything bloody.
Vampiric.
Some weird titty things happening.
Weird titty things are a prediction.
The Suckling.
Who made this? Is this Christians doing like abortion is evil stuff?
No, it's going to be a weird white man.
I mean,
Because
that's the same
Christians aren't
thing.
Weird white men.
I was going to say.
This next clip is our final clip.
I don't think I'm ready for this. I don't think I'm ready.
I feel like the Suckling was really the low point. I don't think.
No, I still stand to differ. The third one was the worst. Could potentially happen. And
Everything else about it was straight except for
the baby helicopter. Could you throw baby around by the umbilical cord a few times?
No.
Would
it would avulse and the baby would hemorrhage out. It's umbilical cord.
Would the umbilical cord hold up to that?
No, that's what I just said. It would avulse.
What does that word mean?
You don't know avulse?
No.
It, like tear open, like rip off.
So it would tear.
Yeah.
Where? Would it tear off at the belly button?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, miss. I can't read this.
Pause. Teeth remind me of the time that a baby was born via C-section and my friend was on like our, I don't know, 16 of her shift or something like that. She swore that the baby was born with teeth. So she told the incoming residents this. And all three of them went to the room to round on that patient postpartum. Even someone who doesn't like babies. She literally just walked in the room and stuck her finger with the glove in the baby's mouth to feel the teeth. And there were no teeth.
She'd been awake for like 400 straight hours?
16 hours.
I have seen photos of ovarian cyst that has like teeth.
Teratoma. Love the good teratoma. It's kind of annoying when it has hair because then if you burst in the body and the hair pieces get all over the belly, like you can have a new teratoma or it can become cancer. So you have to like pick out the hairs one by one. So you try not to pop them.
Can it grow brain cells? Because it can make teeth and like
make
hair.
teeth and hair.
So
those don't seem all that related.
Could it be brain? Could it be thinking in there?
Probably not. Because I think
like
it's mesenchymal cells.
It's magic.
It's some kind of magic.
Obviously. It's Jesus magic. Can you disprove that it's Jesus magic? That's what causes it.
Can you disprove the Jesus
Go talk to your Jehovah's Witnesses. Okay.
Anyway, teeth.
Is this your first time?
There should be someone else in the room.
Yeah, you always have a chaperone. You never know what patients could say.
Always?
Always.
Mr. Socky? Over there.
Mr. Socky.
And Mr. Socky.
They say, no, scooch.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna bite you. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Scoot down, scoot down.
You put the sheet away also.
Scoot down. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Okay.
Don't ever push their knees apart.
Let me guess. You'd like to start on birth control.
No, I just
don't talk
want
to them
be
in this position.
Checked out. You know, make sure that there are no adaptations or anything.
Are you sexually active?
No.
You don't ask them questions in this position. You just do the exam really quick and then you stop. Then you sit them up and you talk to them like they're a person.
We don't talk at the vagina.
No.
Yeah, it's called teeth, not ears.
Jesus Christ.
Is Mr. Socky a thing you use?
No.
Yeah. Yes.
In this room, there are no judgments made.
Whoa.
Test your flexibility.
What?
I know, right, Benny?
Ow. This is
Lie
like
back
assault
and
on
relax.
camera.
Relax. What? What have you put in here?
That's what you deserve. I kind of love this. This is what this asshole deserves.
It's true! Vagina dentata! Vagina dentata! Vagina dentata!
Vagina dentata.
Is that what you would yell after you had
Would
your...
you yell that?
I don't know.
Is vagina dentata a real thing? Like
No.
there's teeth and they chomp on things?
No.
You gonna watch the whole thing or?
No. No, we're done. What?
Can that happen?
No.
That you have a monster inside of you?
I mean, you can have like
dentata.
the jismus that you're so tight and clenched that it like spits the speculum back out at me.
Vaginismus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's
Guess
a
you could,
myth.
like-
It's a long running
I
myth.
guess you could put like dentures down there and clench on the dentures. I have seen a variety of things in people's vaginas, so
Would you like to elaborate?
potatoes, little sprouts. Once found a bedazzled jewel up in there.
Could a woman put dentures in there in order to chomp a man?
I think it would kind of hurt. I don't know if you could clench. Maybe you need pelvic floor physical therapy
Yeah, like
coordination.
how would you control the chomping?
I'm doing a Kegel.
She says it's plausible. Plausible.
I've seen weirder shit, so I'm sure.
Circumcision. Do you do it? Do you
I mean, I have done it.
have done it? Can you do like a crinkle cut? Do people have like requests?
No.
No crinkle cut?
No.
You do like a
Okay,
shape?
why does the OB-GYN do the circumcision?
I mean, it just depends on the institution. The anesthetic for infants during circumcision is sugar water.
Guy comes here to get his penis sucked, and it gets shot off instead.
Okay, and on that note, have a great night, everybody.
All right. Crinkle cut foreskin.
Jesus.
Does that get you?
Scene.
Out!
Look, I just want to get out of here.
The doors don't open.
The doors don't open.
Fuck this shit.